Hello, Kitchenarians! Welcome back to Yan Yan Kitchen. So, for today's episode, we will be cooking the famous chicken biryani with our very special Raita sauce. Alright, so let's get started. For our first ingredient, we need to have half kilogram or 1 kilogram chicken drumsticks, and then put 3 tablespoons plain yogurt, not a Greek yogurt, one and 1/2 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garam masala, or you can also use biryani masala. Add 1 teaspoon salt or sea salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 or 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon lemon extract. And then you need to mix it well, guys, and after mixing it, you need to set it aside and marinate it for an hour or 2. While marinating the chicken, we can now proceed with the basmati rice. Basmati rice has to be rinsed very well 3 times in ample amount of water to get rid of the starch. This prevents the rice grains from turning mushy. And then, soaking the rice for 30 minutes in water helps to cook the rice grains to fluffy and long. So don't forget to skip or do not skip soaking and rinsing the rice very well before using it. After 30 minutes, you can now remove the water, and then this is optional, guys. You can add 2 tablespoons warm milk and saffron, or kasuba in Tagalog. And for the third step, put enough vegetable oil or any oil that you prefer, but if you are health conscious, you can also use canola oil. We need to fry 1 large finely chopped onions on a medium heat. Fry it and stir it until uniformly light brown, and then set it aside. Using the same pot, we need to saute 2 pieces bay leaf, 2 pieces mace, 4 pieces green cardamoms, 2 pieces cinnamon rolls, 1 star anise. By the way, guys, using whole spices is optional but recommended. You can also use whatever is available in your kitchen. 8 pieces cloves, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, we can now put the chicken or the marinated chicken and saute it until it becomes pale for 5 minutes. But don't forget to put the fried onions. We need to lower the flame completely. Cover and cook until the chicken is tender and completely cooked. Check if the chicken is cooked. It has to be just cooked but not overdone. After a couple of minutes, if the chicken is already tender, You can now add 1/4 cup plain yogurt. But if you don't have yogurt, guys, you can use coconut cream. But it's gonna be a little bit sweet. Put 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon garam masala or biryani masala. Half a teaspoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon chopped green chili pepper. 2 tablespoons chopped mint leaves, or if you don't have mint leaves, you can use 2 tablespoons chopped coriander. Many historians believe that biryani originated from Persia and was brought to India by Mughals or Mughals. Biryani comes from the Persian word biryan, which means fried before cooking. After mixing all the ingredients, we can now layer the drained rice all over the chicken. Make sure to level the rice gently on top. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can also comment down below if you wanted to know more interesting recipes. And now we can put 3.5 cups water, or we can also use 3.5 cups chicken stock. We need to cook it for 15 minutes. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon salt, or you can add a little bit more based on your taste buds. Then put 2 teaspoons mint leaves, or if you do not have mint leaves, you can also use 2 teaspoons coriander leaves. And there you have it. After 15 minutes, we have our biryani chicken or chicken biryani. And for the raita, we need to have 1 cup plain yogurt. Raita is one of the complementary dish of biryani. Put 1 cup chopped cucumber or pepino. 1 medium chopped onion or sibuyas. 1/4 teaspoon ground coriander or coriander. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. And last but not the least, 1/4 teaspoon salt to taste. And don't forget to mix it well. There you have it, guys. We have our raita to complement our biryani dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and you can comment down below if you wanted to know more recipes. Keep safe, guys. Enjoy!